Good morning, class 10 students. All of you know that our next chapter is ammonia gas. Ammonia gas means this ammonia, molecular formula of ammonia is NH3. In bond formation, all of you know that ammonia, atomic number of ammonia is 7 and electronic configuration is 2,5. And this 2,5 electronic configuration can change into the octet by gain of 3 electrons. Gain of 3 electrons means valency is 3, but valence electron is 5. Valence electron is 5. These 5 valence electrons take part in the chemical bonding. Hydrogen is 1, electronic configuration is 1. Only 1 electron is the valence electron that take part in the chemical bonding. Now, that means there are 3 hydrogen in ammonia. 3 sites are occupied by hydrogen. 1 site is vacant. Hydrogen will take 1 electron because 1 plus 1 that will be 2. Hydrogen change into helium. 3 of the hydrogen will take 1 electron. That means 2 more electrons. Nitrogen has 2 more electrons. That will go on the top, above. 2 electrons. Now, hydrogen, single bond, nitrogen. Single bond, hydrogen. In bottom, single bond, hydrogen and 2 electrons. These 2 electrons do not take part in chemical bonding. That is why there is 1 pair of lone electrons. Lone pair of electron is 1. Because pair word is there. Students, what mistake they are doing? They are writing 2 electrons. Number of lone pair is 2. Lone pair means 2. 2 electrons do not take part in chemical reaction. It means lone pair of electrons equal to 1, not 2. Right? Ammonia, if you just determine the atomic mass of ammonia, N plus H3. N is 14. Hydrogen is 1. 1 into 3. 3 1s are 3. 14 plus 3 equal to 13 AMU. 14 plus 3, 17 AMU or 17 gram. Now vapor density, molecular weight divided by 2. Molecular weight is 17 divided by 2. It is 8.5. All of you know that if the vapor density of air is 14.4, wherever vapor density of helium is 8.5, that means helium is a lightest gas. Helium is a lightest gas. Am I right? I proved that helium is a lightest gas. In volcanic eruption, many more gases are coming from the earth crust. These many more gases are there. Among of them, nitrogen is also there. No? Nitrogen is also there. In combined state, free state, in each and every step, nitrogen is available on this earth. Now the question is, how do you prepare nitrogen gas as well as the ammonia gas? Preparation of nitrogen gas, we don't have the preparation of nitrogen gas, but we have the preparation of ammonia gas. How do you prepare ammonia gas? In your book, if you will see, there are many methods given from the aluminum nitride. Ammonia gas can be prepared. And I can tell you one urea. Urea can decompose it into ammonia gas. This one is not given. But urea, nitrogen is present on that place. Decomposition of urea, nitrogen gas is prepared. Decomposition of urea, nitrogen gas is prepared.